If you're still trying to build a business by selling prompt engineering or basic AI chatbots, stop. You are fighting for scraps in an era that just ended. The chatbot gold rush of 2024 is officially over. In 2025, the market became saturated. But 2026, this is the year everything resets. Welcome to the autonomous era where AI doesn't just help you write an email, it runs your entire business while you sleep. Today, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap Fortune 500 companies are racing to implement. The tools, the systems, the strategy, and if you're smart, you'll be the one building it for them. In 2024, the conversation was all about the prompt. We were obsessed with typing the perfect sentence to get the AI to do something useful. It felt like a skill. It felt like leverage. But in 2026, the game has changed entirely. AI doesn't need your perfect prompt anymore. It sees the screen. It remembers past tasks. It loops through decisions. It acts on its own. The biggest problem with the old AI businesses, they were linear. One long chain of steps. If step A failed, everything broke. That's not just inefficient, that's fragile. The new model is different. It's agentic. Picture this. You don't have a single AI bot doing one job. You have a team of agents, each with a specialty, coordinated by an orchestrator that delegates, verifies, and manages. One agent researches, one agent writes, one checks for compliance, and the orchestrator runs the whole operation. If you're still building automations, you're a mechanic. But if you're building autonomous teams, you're now a CEO. Let's talk tools. The tech stack in 2026 looks nothing like what you saw on AI Twitter back in 2023. In 2024, people were using Zapier, Make.com, ChatGPT, maybe some janky Notion automations. That's over. The stack has matured. The core building block now is MCP, Model Context Protocol. It's the plug and play layer that lets your AI agents interact securely with any external system, Google Cloud, Salesforce, local servers, without writing custom APIs. Next, forget Zapier. The real builders are using N8N and LangGraph. These tools allow for stateful workflows, ones that think, pause, correct themselves, and even retry intelligently. No more breaking when something goes wrong. And for task coordination, you're not sending prompts, you're designing crews. Tools like CrewAI and AutoGen let you architect fleets of agents with role-based logic and shared goals. Data handling is smarter too. No more copy-pasting into RAG pipelines. We're talking real-time knowledge bases, continuously updating, context-aware, and accessible to your entire agent team. But here's where things get serious. Vertical AI, you don't want to build another assistant. That space is overrun. You want to build something specialized, something irreplaceable, not AI that answers questions, but AI that does 24/7 healthcare compliance checks, not AI that chats with customers, but AI that detects fraud in financial workflows in real time. Vertical AI is where the contracts are 6 figures and up, and it's not about scale, it's about precision. So how do you actually launch a business around this? Here's your 30-day roadmap. First, run a friction audit. Find a process inside a business that's repetitive, but still requires judgment. Think onboarding, insurance claims, HR approvals. These are gold mines. Second, start by building the manager agent, not the worker, the orchestrator. This agent doesn't do tasks, it delegates. It assesses context, routes work, follows up, and audits. Build it first using CrewAI and let it control expert agents that each do one narrow thing perfectly. Third, add autonomous governance. This is the key. Every company fears AI hallucinations. If you create a system with a built-in auditor, an agent whose only job is to verify that others, you solve the #1 trust issue. That alone could be your USP. You're not just selling automation, you're selling trust. Let's get real for a minute. Most people trying to sell AI services today are stuck in 2024. They're offering things that were impressive 2 years ago. Prompt guides, prompt packs, done-for-you chatbot builds. But the enterprise market doesn't want toys. They want systems. They want outcomes. They want digital teams that run autonomously, don't hallucinate, and don't need babysitting. And the money is real. Early adopters are already reporting 70% faster turnaround times, 40% less reliance on human staff, 98% accuracy across complex tasks. This isn't theory, it's happening right now. Look at insurance, old way, manual claim review, tons of back and forth, days or weeks to settle, new way. Intake agent reads the claim, evidence agent verifies documents, policy agent checks compliance, governance agent flags inconsistencies, all coordinated, all autonomous. Result, decisions in minutes, not days. Real estate, same story. Instead of manually sorting and qualifying leads, a crew of agents handles intake, scores leads, follows up with questions, and even schedules the best ones directly to sales reps' calendars. And the human team, they're only stepping in when it's time to close. This is the new world. And the only question is, will you build it or just watch it unfold? We are no longer in the era of doing. We are in the era of designing what does. The value isn't in working more, it's in being the architect. The 2026 AI reset is about identity. You are not a user, you're not a builder, you are the designer of ecosystems. And the people who win are the ones who understand orchestration, delegation, verification, and scale. So here's what I want you to do. Don't ask what prompt to use. Ask what process to redesign. Don't ask what chatbot to build. Ask what digital workforce needs to exist and doesn't yet. If you want to go deeper, I've put together a full technical blueprint in the description. Inside, you'll see how to spin up an MCP server, structure your first multi-agent crew, and deploy a full vertical AI business in under a month. But before you click away, tell me, should I break down a real example next? Maybe for real estate, e-commerce, or healthcare? Drop it in the comments, because this isn't theory, it's infrastructure. And the next era belongs to the ones who build it. Don't get left in 2024. I'll see you in the next era.